Our song today is Down by the Station, and it is just our G, A, and B notes: teal, purple, and pink. Three of my all-time favorite colors. You can do a lot of music with just those three notes. Okay, so let's take a look at it. And we have our rests, we have our quarter rests, which get one count, and we get our half rests that get two counts. Half notes, half rests, two counts. Quarter notes, quarter rests, one count. Okay, so let's go through and let's do our counts first. Then we'll say our letter names and then we'll play it. Okay, down by the station. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, sh, 1, sh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, sh, 1, sh, 1, sh, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, sh, 1, sh, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's say our letter names. 1, 2, ready, go. G, G, A, B, sh, B, sh, A, G, A, B, G, sh, G, sh, G, sh, G, A, B, 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 sh, A, sh, A, B, G. Okay, time to play it. Our notes are right here. G, A, and B. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that one more time. Down by the station early in the morning. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now the next one on this page is Au clair de la lune. So let's go ahead and do that one. And on this one, we have a repeat. And so we're going to play it all the way to the end, go back and play through one more time. Okay, let's go through and say our note names first, then we'll do the counts, and then we will play. Okay, here we go. And again, it's just G, A, and B, teal, purple, and pink. 1, 2, ready, go. G, 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 A, B, A, A, B, A, G. Back to the beginning. G, 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 A, B, A, B, A, G. Okay, now let's do our counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now time to play. All of our notes are right here. These three notes right here. 1, 2, ready, go. Short, sweet, and a great exercise.